Today I'll be introducing iTechworld's all-new 12-volt power solution. Introducing the iTechworld Control Hub. So the Control Hub comes in 3 different models. You've got one Control Hub that has a 40 amp DCDC charger, or the 25. You've also got the Control Hub which has no DCDC charger at all. So this is going to be used for pre-existing setups, or if you want to use your own DC charger. For the units with a DC to DC charger, they actually have an inbuilt MPPT solar controller, which means you can simply plug your solar panels directly into the unit. With the all-new exclusive solar priority mode, on our DC-DC chargers, you can now select how you want to charge your batteries. Now I know you're probably wondering what is actually all there. So coming closer, let's have a look. So on the front of the Control Hub, you have the DC-DC charger. Now this DC charger is all pre-wired and ready to go. You also have the battery monitor, which shows percentage, voltage, all in a nice little unit. With the fuse box, what you actually have is you have 6 fuses, and they have a little LED light which shows you when they've blown. So below the fuse box, you have the 5 switches. So these switches allow you to plug in any camping devices you want to use. So say camping lights, water pumps, fridges, you name it. Simply just plug them in, they're fused, they're ready to go. So moving down to the bottom, you've got the 12-volt outputs. Starting off, you've got the USB-C and USB, both quick charge outputs. You've also got 2 standard 2.4 amp USB outputs. And then you've got the dual 12-volt outputs, which are both 10 amp. So that's the front. Let's have a look at the side. So on the side, you've got the 4 50 amp Anderson outputs. So they're combined in banks of 2. So for these 2, you've got 50 amp output, and for these 2, you've got another 50 amp output. Here's the alternator input. So this only matters if you have the DC-DC model. So you've got the alternator input, which combines directly with our DC-DC installation kit. So you simply plug it into there. And the last 50 amp Anderson is a solar input, which feeds directly into your DC-DC charger, which has an MPPT input. So no need for an external solar regulator. Now, lastly, iTechworld prides themselves on high quality gear. So let's open this up and take a look. So as you can see on the inside of the iTechworld Control Hub, we use extremely high quality and high gauge cabling. Now, if you move down the Control Hub, you'll see we use 50 amp MIDI fuses, and there's a 40 amp MIDI fuse for the optional DC-DC charger. So there you have it, a quick introduction into iTechworld's all new Control Hub. Now, just before you go, we've got a few installation kits I'll go over. So here's our DC to DC charger installation kit. You simply plug it into the side of this, right into the 3-pin Anderson, wire it up to your car, it's good to go. On top of that, you've got the Control Hub wiring kit. Simply open up the grommet here, connect it up to the Control Hub, connect up to your battery, and installation is all done. Now, thanks for watching guys. Check out the website to view the all new Control Hub.